Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter electric current. Today discuss about topics explain overloading of household circuit. Let's start the class. Explain overloading of household circuit. See the diagram. This one household circuit. First one heater, not connection. Second one 4 amps fan, 2 amps bulb, 5 amp fridge, 6 amp television. Okay, 6 amps television, 5 amps fridge, 2 amps bulb, 4 amps fan. Okay, fuse and 240 volt. Nothing but potential difference. Okay, first start. First point. Electricity enters our home through two wires. This is first wire, this is second wire. Two wires is called lines. Those lines have low resistance. For example, R value 6 ohms, low resistance, and potential difference between the wires is about 240 volt. Okay, potential difference value 240 volt. Okay, first point also completed. Now second point, all electrical devices, first one heater, second one fan, third one bulb, fourth one fridge, fifth one television. Okay, this is a devices are connected in parallel in our home. Okay, after the potential drop across each device is 240 volt. Okay, 240 volt. Okay, which device? For example, fan 240 volt. For example, television 240 volt. For example, bulb is equal to 240 volt. Okay, potential drop across each device 240 volt. Fan also 240 volt, television also 240 volt, bulb also 240 volt. This is second point. Third point, based on the resistance of each device, fan, bulb, fridge and television. Okay, it draws some current from the supply. For example, this is a junction. Okay, this is a fuse. Okay, entering the current. Junction entering the current. Okay, after that leaving the current. First one fan, second one TV and third one fridge. Okay, total current drawn from the mains is equal to the total current passing through the each device, fan, TV and fridge. Okay, what is Kirchhoff law? First law, current law. The total current entering the junction is equal to the total current leaving the junction. This is current law. Third point also completed. Next one, fourth point. If you add more devices, if you add more devices, okay, for example, fan is there, one fan is there, add three fans or four fans. Bulb is there, one bulb is there, two fan or three fans. Fridge, only one fridge is there, and a TV. Okay, if you add more devices to the household circuit, the current drawn from the main also increases. Main also increases. This is fourth point. Okay, for example, okay, this is building. Three rooms is there. First room, room number one. Okay, one fan is there, one fan, and one bulb, and second room, one fan is there, and one bulb is there, bulb, and third room, fan, and TV, and fridge, and bulb. First room what? Bulb and fan. Second room, fan and bulb. Third room, fan, TV, and fridge and bulb. Okay, how many fans is there? 1 and 2 and 3. 3 fans. How many bulb is there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, TV 1 and fridge also 1. Okay, what is the fourth point? If you add more devices to the household circuit, the current drawn from the mains also increases. Main also increases. This is fourth point. Now fifth point start. This is lead to overheating. For example, take a heater. This is heater. Okay, connection, wires. This is a positive wire, this is negative wire. Overheating occurs in the current carrying wires catches fire. This is called overloading. This is called overloading. This is fifth point. Okay. Question. Why do you use fuses in household circuits? This is question. See the diagram. Electricity enters our homes through two wires. Okay, first wire positive, second wire negative. Okay, first wire positive, second wire negative. Okay, after that, okay, positive wire connection to fuse. Positive wire connection to fuse. After that, positive wire and negative wire connected to some devices is there. First one fan, second one bulb, third one television, fourth one fridge. Okay, what is the question? Why do you use fuses in household circuit? Now, first point, to prevent damages due to overloading, you connect to an electric fuse to the household circuit. This is first point. Okay, for example, this is heater. Okay, wire connected. This is positive, this is negative. This is positive, this is negative. Okay, overheating occurs in the current carrying wires. Okay, after that, catch catch the fire. Okay, in household circuit, overloading, 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 you connect to electric fuse. You connect to electric fuse. This is first point. Second point, in this arrangement, the intercurrent from the main must passes through the fuse. Okay, enter the current. Okay, 8 amps, 6 amps, 2 amps, 4 amps. 4 amps fan, 2 amps bulb, 6 amp television, 8 amps fridge. Okay, current passes through the fuse. This is second point. Third point, the fuse consists of the thin wire of low melting point. Low melting point. The fuse consists of thin wire of low melting point. This is third point. Low melting point, the fuse. Why? The temperatures also increases. Temperature also increases. Must be low melting point. Okay, this is third point. Okay, fourth point. Now the circuit becomes open. The flow of current. Okay, the householding wire and devices by using fuse. This is fourth point. Once again repeated. Now the circuit becomes open. The flow of current 8 amps, 6 amps, 2 amps, 4 amps. Flow of current. Okay, the householding wire and devices fan and bulb, television and fridge. This is device. By using fuse. This is fourth point.